Happy St. Patrick's Day, friends, and today for our special Holiday Science Explorers, we're going to make ourselves a rainbow catcher. So that happens because we have a special bead here, all right? And this is called a prism. Now, prisms can come in different shapes, but the main thing that a prism does is it takes the light, the white light that comes from the sun, and it divides it into its component colors. So that's red, orange, yellow, green, blue, and violet. And you can see that in the rainbow that shines either on the floor, on the window, or wherever it happens to have broken apart and landed. Okay? So to make our rainbow catcher today, we're going to start out with our pipe cleaner. All right? Mine's a little bit bent, so I'm just going to straighten it out. Doesn't really matter too much. Okay? So the first thing that I'm going to do, all right, is I'm going to take my pipe cleaner right here. I'm going to make a little J right at the bottom like that. Take a look. Just a little J just like that, okay? Once I have my little J, I'm going to take my prism bead right here, and you'll see there's a hole at the top. You're going to slide that right over, and it'll be dangling just like that. And it's still open, so we want to make sure we close that off so it doesn't come undone. So we're going to cross it over. All right, so there's not a lot. Hopefully you can see that. But I've crossed it over, okay? And now I'm going to twist. I'm going to twist that around so that it's just like that, okay? All right, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my beads and I'm going to make some kind of a pattern. Maybe I'll make a rainbow if I have all the colors. So I'll start out with red. And then orange. See, I have a yellow. There's a green. There is a blue. Now some people will say Roy G. Biv, red, orange, yellow, green, blue, or indigo, and then violet. And so you can, if you want, indigo can be a color, but realistically, it's blue and violet. The person who decided to come up with that idea just really liked the number 7, so the 6 basic colors that we think of were turned into 7 colors, so that there would be 7. And actually, in some cultures and in past, there were even less colors. Not all cultures recognize all the colors that we do. Some of them just kind of blend together and are under the same coloring. All right, so it looks like I have my rainbow here. You can keep going. I'm going to put one clear one at the top. I wish I could put a clear one at the bottom, but that's all right. So I have my rainbow right here. And so you can keep going all the way up, 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 up until you get to the top. But you want to leave, I'd say about this much, maybe a little bit more, because this is what we're going to do, okay? So when you get to that point, you're going to make a bigger J. This one's upside down, so it's like kind of like a candy cane. All right? And then you're going to, just like we did with the other one, we're going to bend that over and make it a cross, and cross that over just like that, just like that. Oop, there we are. And then we're going to twist, 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 twist. And we have like a nice loop right here. And so now we can hang our rainbow catcher up. So where do you think would be the best place to hang this up? On the wall? No, there's not much light on the wall. Well, there's light coming to the wall, but not light going through the wall. So if we want light going through it, where would we want it to be? Probably at a window. That way the light can shine through, and then you can see it on the floor or on the wall. You'll see that prism break that white light into its component colors and cast that rainbow. Well, thank you for joining me today, friends. I had a lot of fun. I hope you had a lot of fun. If you didn't get one of our kits, a lot of times while we've been closed, we've been making these kits. So, keep an eye out for the next set that we do. We have a lot of really cool stuff in there. They come with crayons. This one came with a glue stick, so they're a really good value. But thank you again, and we like to thank National Grid for sponsoring Science Explorers. Until next time, friends.